Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Can I ask you, what exactly is holding you back from making your dreams come true? What could I help you with so you can live your life on a higher level? Can you and me work together and get your next big adventure started? Drop me a text message on 07801 543 515 or book your free 30-minute slot at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon. But first, here is your quote for today. Be stronger than your excuses. In your life, with most things, you always have two choices. You can either do something or you can find an excuse to not. Whatever you want to do, if you really want to do that thing, just do it. Just start it and get on with it. Finding yet another excuse to delay something is just a cop-out. It's not going to help you or help your progress, is it? Do today what your future tomorrow will thank you for.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.